Remember Cognition Therapeutics, ticker symbol CGTX? It presented plans for a registrational program for its drug, zervimezine, CT1812, aimed at treating mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease at the Clinical Trials on Alzheimer's Disease, CTAD conference. These plans were based on positive discussions with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, following a productive end-of-Phase 2 meeting. The Phase 3 study will enroll adults with mild to moderate Alzheimer's and aim to enrich the patient population by screening for lower plasma p-tau217 levels, a biomarker believed to indicate those most likely to benefit from zervimezine. Zervimezine, an oral, once-daily investigational drug, showed promising results in the Phase 2 SHINE study, where participants with lower plasma p-tau217 levels experienced a 95% reduction in cognitive decline compared to placebo. Based on these results, the FDA has agreed that 2 6-month Phase 3 trials with 1-to-1 randomization to zervimezine or placebo will be sufficient. Cognitive and functional improvements will be assessed using established measures such as the IADRS, a composite of ADAS-Cog13, and ADCS-ADL. In addition to plans for the U.S., Cognition is also preparing to meet with the European Medicines Agency, EMA, to align global Alzheimer's registrational plans. CEO Lisa Ricciardi emphasized that the company is evaluating its resources for Alzheimer's disease and dementia with Lewy bodies, DLB. Zervimezine targets neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's and DLB, by addressing the buildup of toxic proteins like A-beta and alpha-synuclein in the brain. These proteins can damage neurons, leading to cognitive and motor impairments. The drug works by disrupting the toxic effects of these proteins, with early clinical trials suggesting that it can slow disease progression. So far, zervimezine has generally been well tolerated in clinical studies. Cognition also reported strong progress in its Phase 2 START study, which is enrolling patients with mild cognitive impairment, MCI, or early Alzheimer's disease. The study, supported by an $81 million grant from the National Institute on Aging, NIA, aims to evaluate the safety and efficacy of zervimezine over 18 months. Financially, Cognition completed a $30 million offering, ensuring sufficient funds for future development. At the end of its most recent quarter, it reported a net loss of $4.9 million, a significant improvement compared to the previous year's loss. The company's cash position is strong enough to fund operations until mid-2027. That's why Cognition and its supporters remain optimistic progress can continue smoothly, with zervimezine as a key treatment for Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases, emphasizing its convenience and safety profile. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.